Hello, everybody. A very good morning to one and all. My name is ANKIT Sharma, and I welcome all of you in this extremely important session at the one and only Examper. My dear students, as you all are well aware that the SSC CGL notification is now out. It was to be out on 10th of September, but due to some unavoidable reasons, due to some unavoidable circumstances, it got released on 17th September at around 9 p.m. The notification was out at about 9:05 p.m. and we started with the session at 9:15 p.m. And there are a lot of changes, as you all are well aware. Lot of surprises, not only for the students but for us also as the faculties, for the teachers. So now we have conducted lot of generic sessions, or you can call the information building sessions. We have provided you lot of informations about the SSC CGL on the date of release of notification as well as yesterday. Today also there will be lot of informative sessions. You will get to know many things about the examination, about the pros and cons of this new pattern, about what are the things that you can adopt, what are the things that you can strategize to perform well in such a pattern of exam. Everything would be discussed, my dear students, so you need not worry about anything. As of today, I request everybody that please join us. Please quickly like and share the session. Ask more and more students to join, because more will be the number of students, more all of you would be benefited. Yes, because we require a proper competition, and for the proper competition, all of us should be there. Quickly everybody, please like and share the session. Please ask more and more students to join. And as I have said, we are going to start with a very important topic in today's session. My dear students, the agenda for today's session is part 1 of puzzles. Yes. So today what we are going to do? We are going to do the part 1 of puzzles. Now what are puzzles? How it is different from seating arrangement? I will tell you. In seating arrangement, what we used to do? In seating arrangement, the people were sitting around a circle, a line, around a square table, etc., around a triangular table, pentagon table, etc. So they were seated around a table. Now the table could be of any form: circle, triangle, pentagon, okay, square, or it can be in a straight line, anything. But here it is not like that. The nature of question is slightly different, but then it's equally important. It's equally important, guys, in comparison to seating arrangement. It's equally important. Are you all ready? Are you all ready now? Have a look at the thought of the day. The thought of the day is very special. It says, always remember, guys, that your present situation is not your final destination. The best is yet to come. Yes, my dear students, whatever place are you in today, are you satisfied with this? Or at whatever place I am today, should I be satisfied with this? No. Constantly we have to move ahead. Constantly we have to make progress. Constantly we have to move ahead and prosper in our life. Yes. And yes, my dear students, the best will be coming. It's not an end. This place where we are is only a point of our journey. Our journey is way ahead. It's way better. It's way great than this. All right, everybody. And with these words, let us start with the very first question. Now, this seems to be a very difficult question, isn't it? This seems to be a very difficult question. So now, have a look at this. The very first question, I would be giving you 2 minutes for this, because it seems to be a bigger question, and thereafter we would be discussing. So your time starts now. Quickly, everyone, hurry up. Come on, please try this one carefully. Okay, one more minute. One more minute, guys. This question does not require more than 1 minute. Because of the length of the question, do not be afraid. 1 minute is sufficient, but still, since it is lengthy, I am giving you an extra minute. Quickly, everybody. See, the time is up. And now I think I should begin with the discussion. Okay, everybody? I think I should begin with the discussion. Now, please listen to me very, very carefully. The question is telling that Dan has been in Delhi for the past 2 weeks to visit his friends. He is leaving tomorrow and his flight is from the IGI airport. Most of his friends live near the IGI airport. The distances of the residing places of Sam, Prakash and Samar. So this is the IGI airport, suppose. This is the IGI airport. And the distances of the residing place of Sam, Prakash and Samar. Distance of the residing place of Sam, Prakash and Samar from the airport is 10 miles, 5 miles and 7 miles respectively. Distance of residing place of Alan, okay, from the airport is greater than that of Prakash. It is greater than that of Prakash, but less than that of Samar. Okay, so now it could be anything more than 5 and less than 7, anything more than 5 and less than 7. And now it is telling that Dan is presently staying with Alan. Dan is presently staying with Alan. Okay, so which of the following may be the distance covered by him in the morning while going to the airport? More than 5, less than 7. Which option is available? More than 5 and less than 7. There is only one option available. It's 6. So that's the right answer. Answer is option number B, that is 6. So this is the question which even does not require the use of pen, to be very honest. It does not require the use of pen. You can solve it easily and clearly if you are able to think properly. Now coming to the next question. My dear students, now in this question, I would begin giving you time. Okay, so please think of this, and yes, your time is 2 minutes. I will be giving you 2 minutes, guys. Quickly. Hurry up. Quickly, everyone. Please think of it quickly. Next 1 minute. Hurry up. Come on, guys, concentrate. Focus. Now, see, the time is almost over. And now let us have a look at this. What is going to happen over here? It is telling you that in a cricket match, Rohit scored 16 runs on 6 balls. In a cricket match, Rohit scored 16 runs on 6 balls. So the balls were first ball, second ball, third ball, fourth ball, fifth ball and sixth ball. And how many runs are scored in total? Total 16 runs. Total 16 runs, okay? So in a cricket match, Rohit scored 16 runs on 6 balls with a different score on each ball. Point to be noted. The maximum runs were scored on the third ball. The maximum runs were scored on the third ball means it can be 6 runs, a sixer, okay? And the minimum runs were scored on the first ball. The minimum runs were scored on the first ball. Now it could be 0 or 1 run, 0 run or 1 run. Now, my dear students, very important. 4 runs were scored on third ball after the one on which 2 runs were scored. See, my dear students, please be careful and read it carefully, interpret it carefully. 4 runs were scored on third ball after the one on which 2 runs were scored. So 2 runs were scored, 1 ball after this, 2 ball after this, and third ball after this. So that is what the question is telling. 4 runs were scored on the first, second, and third ball after the one on which second run was scored. Now, it is also known that ball on which 1 run was scored was neither the first nor the last. Very simple. The ball, see, very clearly it is telling, it is also known that the ball on which the 1 run was scored was neither the first nor the last. So the ball on which 1 run was scored was neither the first nor the last. So here will be 0. Here would be 0. And now let us understand this. If I place 2 runs over here, then 1 and 2, 4 is not possible. So 2 over here, 1, 2 and 3, 4 run is possible. Now 1 run was not first, not last, so it will be over here. So my dear students, have a look at this. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, 15, 16. This is the way. This is the way. Alright everybody. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and then it's done. Now the question is how many runs were scored on the last ball. On the last ball, how many runs were scored? It is option number A, that is 3. Option number A, that is 3. Alright everybody, getting it? So that's the right answer. Next one. Now for this is a better question. This is the best so far. This is the best so far. I will be giving you 3 minutes for this. Think of this. Take your time. Think of this. Concentrate. Focus. Next 1 minute. Solve this. This is the second minute, guys. After this 1 more minute, I am willing to give you. The third minute. Hurry up. I'm not focusing on speed as of today. Otherwise, I would have not given you so much of time. I want all of you to solve the question, and that is I'm willing to give you time so that you can solve it. Quickly, everyone. Quickly, everyone. Time is up. Okay, now kindly pay attention because this is really a brilliant question. Best of the two questions which you have done earlier. It's the best as of now. Now the question is telling that 5 cars, they are participating in a car rally. 5 cars are participating in a car rally. They traveled from city T1 to T2 and then to T3 without any halt in city T2. So 5 cars. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is in T1. After this, 5 cars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, without any halt. This is T2. And these are the 5 cars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, without any halt, T3. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, everybody. I hope it is very clear. Now see what is going on actually. It is telling you that there are 5 cars, C1, C2, C3, C4 and C5. They participated in a car rally. They traveled from city T1 to T2 and then to T3 without any halt in T2. Further, it is also known that car 4 was the last car to leave T1. Car 4 was the last car to leave T1. First car to reach T2 and second car to reach T3. Okay, fine everybody. So what it is telling you that car 4 was the last car to leave T1, first to reach T2 and second car to reach T3. Next, after this, no car departed or arrived in any two cities at the same position. Very, in fact, most important point. No car departed or arrived in any two cities at the same position. Now this means that if car 4 has come at 5th position over here, nowhere else it will be at 5th position. Or if car 4 has come at 2nd position over here, nowhere else it will come at 2nd position. I hope it's very clear. Now it is telling you in this point, first car to leave city T1, let me take it as X. First car to leave city T1 was the 4th car to reach T2, to reach T3 and the last car to arrive in T2. See, very clearly it has said that the first car to leave city T1 was the 4th car to reach T3 and the last car to arrive in T2. Fine, getting it? Okay. Next, car 2 was the 3rd car to reach T2. Car 2 was the first, second, and third car to reach T2 and the first car to finish the rally. I repeat, car 2 was the third car to reach T2 and the first car to finish the rally. Next, the fifth one. Car 5 was the fourth car to leave T1. Car 5, very important guys, car 5 was the fourth car to leave T1, second to reach T2, and the third car to arrive in T3. I repeat, car 5 was the fourth car to leave T1, second car to reach T2, and third to arrive in T3. Alright, finally, over here, 6th point. Car 1 was not the first car to leave city T1. Car 1 was not the first car to leave city T1. Car 1 was not here. Okay. Now, if car 1 was not here, car 2 or car 3 will be here. Car 2 or car 3 will be here. But please understand, if car 1 is not there, then car 2 or car 3 will be here. But car 2 is already at first position at one place. Car 2 is already at first position at one place. So now this place can only be car 3. This position can only be car 3. Okay. So this is car 3. Now this is also car 3 and this is also car 3. Okay. Fine. This is also car 3. And this is also car 3. Getting it, everybody? Getting it, everybody? Fine? Fine, everybody? Yes or no? Now, moving ahead. Which car is left out over here? Which car is left out? C1 is left out, C1. C1 is left out, and here also C1 will be coming. Now, let us talk about these two. Here will be C1 or C2. That's it. But we must understand, my dear students, C1 or C2, C2 is already at third position at one place. C2 is already at third position at one place. So it cannot be over here. C2 will be here, C1 will be here. And that is what it is important question. See, this line is very significant. No car departed or arrived in any two cities at the same position. So since car 2 is already at third position over here, it cannot be at third position over here, therefore it is at second position. And now, which was the second car to leave T1? Which was the second car to leave T1? The second car to leave T1 was C2. It was C2. And that's the right answer. Option number B, C2. Option number B, C2. Alright, everybody? Yes or no? Quickly tell me, guys. Are you all getting this? Are you all getting this? Yes or no? Moving ahead. Solve this one. Now, this is an easier one. You can easily solve it in 1 minute also. But obviously, this is the first class of this topic, so I'm not focusing on the speed. Take your time, but solve this. Quickly, everybody. Hurry up. Please solve this, guys. Take your time. Solve this. It's very, very important, guys. Last 1 minute. The time is almost up, and let us begin with the discussion now. Four kids P, Q, R, and S. Four kids whose names are P, Q, R, and S. They receive a total of P, Q, R, and S chocolates respectively from their class teacher on the 64th Republic Day. It is also known that, see, chocolates cannot be in decimals now or fractions. Chocolate will be integral numbers. Okay, keep that in mind. Now it is telling you R is equal to P plus Q, okay? And most importantly, P plus Q plus R plus S is equals to 8. That has been clarified over here. Now P plus R is equals to Q plus S. And R is equals to P plus Q. R, that is 3, is equals to P plus Q. Okay. See, this is the one which we are getting it. This is the one what we are getting. This is random hit and trial and smart work. See, R is equal to P plus Q. R3 is equal to P plus Q. Then P plus R. P plus R is 4. And it is equal to Q plus S. Q plus S is also 4. Q plus S is also 4. P plus R is also 4. And all of them, the sum is 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, that's fine. Who received the second highest number of chocolates? Who received the second highest number of chocolates? The highest number of chocolates is received by R. The second highest number of chocolates is received by Q and S. And the least chocolate is received by P. So second highest chocolates is received by Q and S. So that is the one. Both Q and S. Both Q and S. In the question, it was never said that all the children receive different number of chocolates. And also the chocolates cannot be in decimals or fractions. It will be integral numbers. Alright. So that is the right answer, option number D. Next, solve this. This question again, couple of minutes, take your time. Plenty of time is there. Solve this. Come on, hurry up. The next 1 minute. Concentrate and focus. Okay, now have a look at this. Have a look at this, my dear students. Okay, now see, the question is telling that there are 36 plants in a single row. In a single row, there are 36 plants. After the first rose plant, there is one cactus plant. After the first rose plant, there is one cactus plant. Okay. After the second rose plant, there are two cactus plant and so on. After the third, so on is very important. After the third rose plant, there are three cactus plant. After the fourth rose plant, there are four cactus plants and so on. But we have to ensure that the sum is 36. So now here, there are two plants. See, please understand, my dear students, here, there are two plants. Here, 3, here 4, here 5, here now 6, here now 7, here now 8, here now 9, and so on. And now just do the sum, check the addition. If you see 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 5, 14, plus 6, 20, 27, 27 plus 8, 35, and then only 1 over here. So my dear students, just have a look at this. What will happen? What will happen over here? After the 5th rose plant, there are 5 cactus plant. After the 6th rose plant, there are 6 cactus plant. After the 7th rose plant, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7th cactus plant. And now, my dear students, just do the addition. That is what the question was demanding. After the first rose plant, there is 1 cactus plant. After second rose plant, there are 2 cactus plant. After third rose plant, there are 3 cactus plant, and so on. And there are total 36 plants, isn't it? So if we just add them, so 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 5, 14 plus 6, 20 plus 7, 27 plus 8, 35, and plus 1 over here. Now this 1 over here will be the rose plant. And now after that, 8 cactus plant will also be coming. After this, 8 cactus plant will also be coming. But that is not required as of now, because we have to only limit it to 36. So now it is telling you what is the number of cactus plants in the row. My dear students, out of this 86, 8 are rose plant. Out of this 8 are rose plant. So if you subtract this, you will be getting 28 as the cactus plant. 28 as the cactus plant. All right, everybody? Fine. As simple as that. This is a simple common sense, guys. It is not any reasoning over here. Simple common sense. Okay? Moving ahead. Coming to the next question. Okay? Now. Okay, this one. Start now. Again, couple of minutes I am providing you quickly. Next 1 minute. Okay, now see, my dear students, the time is almost up, and I am very sure that all of you are really enjoying this. Have a look at this. 4 friends, Shipra, Swati, Sukriti, and Shalini, they were born in the same year. Shipra has her birthday in a month which comes before April. Okay, now see, first of all, if Shipra is born in a month which comes before April, so it could be January, it could be February, it could be March. I mean any of them. So Shipra has her birthday in a month which comes before April. Before April means January, February, and March. Swati was born in a month which has 30 days. Swati was born in a month which has 30 days. So if I say Swati was born in a month which has 30 days, means January, 31, February, March, April, May, no, June, July, August, September, October, no, November. Okay, so Swati was born in a month which has 30 days. Sukriti is older than Swati. Sukriti is older than Swati. So what I am doing, that oldest person I am writing over here and the youngest person I am writing at the bottom. Okay. oldest person over here and the youngest person over here. So the question is categorically mentioning Swati was born in a month which has 30 days, fine. Sukriti is older than Swati. Sukriti is older than Swati. Sukriti is older than Swati. Shalini was born in a month which starts with letter J. So Shalini, my dear students, Shalini was born in a month which starts with J. Which starts with J means January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, fine. Any of them. Any of them. Now just it is telling you who among the following cannot be the oldest among the four. The one who cannot be the oldest. See, Shipra can be the oldest. January born will be the oldest. Shalini also can be the oldest. Swati can be the oldest. Swati can be the oldest. No, Swati can never be the oldest. Swati can never be the oldest because Sukriti is already older than Swati. Sukriti is already older than Swati. In that case, Swati cannot be the oldest, and that is why it is the right answer. That is why it is the right answer. Answer is option number D. Alright, everybody? Getting it? Yes or no? Moving ahead, guys. Coming to the next question. Now the best question so far. This is again now the best question so far. I would be giving you 3 minutes for this. Take your time. Solve this. The second minute. Okay, now see, my dear students. Hurry up. Okay, now the time is up. It's almost up. Do you want 1 extra minute for this? Do you want 1 extra minute for this? Yes or no? Okay. In that case, I will provide you an extra minute because really this is a good question. To be very honest, it's a good question. Quickly. Okay, now see, my dear students, time is up. Now, if I have a look at this, what is actually going on? 5 candies, the names of the candies have been provided to you. It's Fioromint, Laptop, Pentos, Turk, and Picklers. of different flavors: mint, orange tea, jasmine and vanilla, but not necessarily in the same order. They are kept in 3 boxes: box 1, box 2 and box 3. Okay, fine. Such that each box contain at most 2 candies. Okay, box 1, box 2 and box 3. So box 1, box 2 and box 3. Alright everybody, have a look at this. Now, my dear students, have a look at this. Now kindly pay attention, my dear students, kindly pay attention. Again I am telling this. 5 candies, the names have been given, they are of different flavors and they are kept in 3 boxes, okay, such that each box contains at most maximum 2 candies. It is also known that orange and vanilla flavored candies, orange and vanilla flavored candies are kept in B3. Orange and vanilla flavored candies are kept in B3. Next, Picklers is neither vanilla nor orange flavored. If Picklers is neither vanilla nor orange flavored, Picklers will be over here. Picklers will be over here because it is neither orange nor vanilla flavored. Pentos and Turk, which are not mint flavored, are kept in B1 and B2 respectively. Pentos and Turk. Pentos and Turk, which are not mint flavored. If Pentos and Turk, which are not mint flavored, okay, so if Pentos and Turk, which are not mint flavored, are kept in B1 and B2 respectively. Now apply your mind, apply common sense. Pentos and Turk are not mint flavored, so mint flavored cannot be coming over here. Also, now these are orange and vanilla flavored, so obvious mint flavored cannot be cannot be placed over here. I repeat, see, it clearly says that Pentos and Turk are not mint flavored. If Pentos and Turk are not mint flavored cannot be coming over here. And at the same time, mint flavored cannot be coming over here because orange and vanilla are coming. So obviously now only 5 chocolates are there, or 5 candies are there, out of which 1, 2, 3, 4 have already come, out of which 1, 2, 3 and 4 have already come. So now who can be mint flavored? It can only be Picklers. It can only be Picklers. So that is the right answer. Answer is option number D, Picklers. Alright everybody, fine, getting it or not? Moving ahead, coming to the next question. So that is why I said it was a beautiful question. Next, before I move ahead, my dear students, please have a look at this. Please have a look at this. Example official app is the one-stop solution for all the government job aspirants. And why I'm saying this? You all are government job aspirants. So this is a blessing for you, my dear students. And why? I will not tell you anything which is over described. No, it's actual, authentic and genuine feedback from my end. See, nothing, no exaggeration, guys. Have a look at this. Here we provide you live paid courses with test series. Now when I say live paid courses with test series, my dear students, many students ask me that what is the difference between the YouTube classes and these paid batches. My dear students, YouTube classes have only question discussion, whereas in paid batches, first theory, basic concepts and then question discussion. Then in YouTube classes, we generally provide you one question towards the end as homework. Here we provide you complete sheet of question as the homework. Third, in the paid batches, complete sheet of question which contains 25 to 30 questions with answer keys, solutions, everything. Then in that too is bilingual, English, Hindi both. Okay. Then in YouTube classes, there is no doubt resolution mechanism. Whereas in the paid batches, we very much have the doubt resolution mechanism in the form of Zoom classes, one-to-one guidance, mentorship. These are the benefits of paid batches: guidance, mentorship under faculty members. Now, second thing, this was a free, this was a paid feature. Now, this is a free feature. We provide you free subject-wise and topic-wise quizzes, free with report card. We provide you job alert, admit card and exam date free of cost. We provide you all exam previous year PDF, all exam previous year PDFs with solution. All right. We then provide you free All India Scholarship Test with report card, free. Then we provide you topic-wise free live classes, free. We provide you free full-length and sectional test with report card, free. We provide you free exam-wise PDFs and practice set PDFs, free. Then after that, my dear students, we provide you daily, weekly and monthly current affairs, free. And then towards the end, we provide you unlimited subject-wise practice questions. Yes, what we provide you? Unlimited subject-wise practice questions, free. So my dear students, when we were in our preparation days, when we wanted to practice questions, we always were in search of two things. Here, this was so high that we cannot afford, and we are obviously not that much privileged that at that time example was there. No, that time example was not there. Okay, otherwise this was the only stop solution, one stop solution. Second thing is this: we all were ready to spend money to get some previous year papers, which we got. But when we attempted the exam, we came to realize that it was just manufactured, it was not authentic or genuine. This is authentic and genuine, my dear students. On the other hand, this, all of you want practice questions. Now, for example, let us take a topic percentage. Percentage is there in bank, in SSC, in railway, even in CAT. So do we have to focus on all type of questions? No. Why should I solve questions of CAT if I am preparing for SSC or vice versa? So that is why exam specific content you will be getting over here. That is again free of cost. It might be free for you, but it has costed us our effort, our time, our energy. Utilize it. Now, my dear students, have a look at this. Solve this one. Solve this one, guys. Quickly, everyone. Next 1 minute. Okay, the time is almost over. The time is almost over. See now, my dear students, what we have to understand. See, on one side is date, on one side is day, and on the other side is rupees. Okay, so Ramesh gave, my dear students, it's very important. Have a look at this. Ramesh gave rupee 1, 4, 7, and 10 to his daughter to buy chocolates on the first day, second day, third day, dot 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 respectively of a month. So now on fourth day, 10 rupees. On fifth day, sixth day, seventh day, eighth day, ninth day, and 10th day. So now, my dear students, we must understand the pattern over here. That here plus 3 is going on. Here plus 3 is going on. Here plus 3 is going on. So this will be 13, 16, okay, 19, 22, 25 and 28 rupees. Again by the same logic of plus 3 rupees on the next day, plus 3 rupees on the next day, plus 3 and plus 3 rupees on the next day, plus 3 rupees on the next day, and so on. All right, everybody. Now, if she bought exactly 20 chocolates on the 6th day, on the 6th day she got 6 rupees, on the 6th day she got 16 rupees, and from 16 rupees she bought how many chocolates? 20 chocolates. 20 chocolates. So this is simple unitary method. This is simple unitary method, my dear students, that on the 6th day when she got 16 rupees, she bought 20 chocolates. And now, my dear students, it implies that divide by 4, okay, by rupees 4 she will be getting 5 chocolates. Okay, by rupees, divide by 4, 4 and here 5. So in every rupees 4 she is able to purchase 5 chocolates. In every rupees 4 she is able to purchase 5 chocolates. So how many chocolates did she purchase on the 10th day? On the 10th day she got rupees 28. 10th day she got rupees 28. 10th day she got rupees 28, which is multiplied by 7. So here also multiplied by 7, she will get 35 chocolates. She will get 35 chocolates. And that is the right answer, 35 chocolates. All right, everybody, getting it? Fine. With this, we come to an end of the session. This will be your homework question. You will solve this and you will answer it under the comment box. I repeat, you are expected to solve this and you will answer it under the comment box. I would be more than happy to respond to your comments over there. We will meet again in the next session. Same topic, next part, new set of questions. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Have a great day, class. Thank you. Thank you so much.